Actually sunny in the afternoon and all of a sudden it started raining. When it stopped raining, I see dark clouds mixed with some white clouds there. So we exactly don't know what is happening to the weather here today. I'm actually feeling a lot positive, energetic and enthusiastic today, and I'm going to tell you why. Most of us have a lot of passions, and those passions can be creating a YouTube video, to going out for rides, taking your family out, going for a dinner, going for a movie. We have a lot of passions, and you want to live that particular moment. But are you really able to do that full time? You cannot be able to do that full time because you have a job to do. Most of us, whoever are making YouTube videos, have a job behind our back, and that's a major responsibility. Apart from this, we try to create that passion and recreate that passion, and definitely you want to share that passion to everyone. And living that passion can become very difficult, especially when you have heavy work schedules. And in spite of that, you try to make your passion come true. You make the dream come alive. So that part of the thing is really very important for us, and we really need to do that to keep yourself going. You enjoy doing that particular thing. And for most of you watching a YouTube video here, making a YouTube video is equally important and passionable for you. But the real question that comes to your mind, how much can you fulfill your passion? YouTube has a particular algorithm for you. When you make videos, your video gets visible. So that particular algorithm is practically not identifiable by most of us. I'll tell you, I've been making YouTube videos since 2016, since I bought my bike. The reason why I started making YouTube videos was very simple. I wanted to buy a bike, so I started seeing a lot of YouTube videos. And based on that, I made some important decisions and got a couple of bikes. A lot of things came from YouTube only. So I wanted to give it back through YouTube for other people to see what I am doing, what I am able to give, what is my experience. So this is the exact way my YouTube journey has actually started. But I have made only just 50 odd videos in the last 4 years. And the first years I was able to get 1000 subscribers, and after that subscriber count got lower and lower. The only reason behind that is I have not been consistent enough. Now just tell me one thing, how many of you are able to really concentrate on your passion? For me, practically it is like 5 to 10% of the times only I'm able to concentrate on my passion, because majority of the time I'm concentrating on my work and my work schedules are very hectic. Now just to recreate my passion, I have planned something ahead for the next 50 days. I myself have been wondering whether my channel has a proper niche, whether my videos have got proper content. I don't think any of that actually matters as far as the story that you give is good enough. I've seen a lot of brilliant, superbly made videos from good creators, and they have very few views and very few subscribers. But at the same time, I've seen very ordinary videos having lakhs and lakhs of views and millions of subscribers. So this is not the fault with them, or this is not their bad luck. Most of us have different contents in different days. You might be thinking you want to share something related to your profession, you might want to share something what you're doing on that particular day, or you might want to share your real passion or for creating your own passion. So basically your ideas are different for creating videos. The same is for me also. For example, I might want to share something related to medical. I might want to do something related to a ride or something related to a riding gear. I might be cooking at home and I might want to share that. But how do I put everything all together? So I've decided to make this particular challenge. I'm calling it the 50 days, 50 videos challenge. And I'm going to make one video every single day for the next 50 days. I'm not going to be concerned about the type of content that I make, the type of niche. I just want to put forward everything that is happening in and around me for the next 50 days. So if you're also interested in this particular challenge, definitely you also can go ahead and start making this challenge along with me. Just add a hashtag 50 days, 50 videos challenge, just like the one this is above the title of this particular video here. Okay guys, and just believe me, I'm not planning to make any super videos or anything like that. I'm just going to make very ordinary videos based on my day-to-day life for the next 50 days. It can be about a medical part, it can be about a ride, it can be about a product, it can be something, some story that I want to share. And I just want to put everything forward. So these are the basic rules for the 50 days, 50 video challenge. Number 1, you got to make one video every day starting tomorrow for at least 50 days. Number 2, try making at least a 5-minute video. Number 3, do not concentrate on any niche or anything of that sort. Just try to create that particular day or whatever bothers you, whatever interests you for that particular day. So if any of you are also interested in making this particular challenge, let's go ahead and try to get this 50-day, 50 video challenge started. And to start with, I'll make this one as the first video for that. See you later.